Come here, ladies. Let me ask you one serious question. Do you truly believe that Patwa is a language worth learning? Because whenever a non-Jamaican says they want to learn Patwa, some of the questions we ask is, but why? Do they have Jamaican parents, a Jamaican partner? Do they live in Jamaica? And those are fair questions, of course. But what if the answer is simply, I like the language? Why does that sometimes surprise us? You see, people learn Japanese without being Japanese. They study French without having French relatives. And some people learn Korean because they love the films or simply the sound of the language. So why can't somebody be interested in Patwa just for Patwa's sake? Could they love its rhythm, its expressions, humor, the way one short phrase can carry a whole story? And when we assume that nobody with a Jamaican connection would really want to study the language, what does that say about how we see the language? Do we believe Patwa is a language worth studying? Or it's just something we casually talk amongst ourselves? Maybe something for joke and informal conversation. Not something that somebody would deliberately choose to study. Because you see, sometimes gatekeeping sounds like protection. But underneath there may be an uncomfortable belief. One that says, our language could not possibly be worthy to somebody else. But you see, Patwa shouldn't need to justify its value through tourism or marriage or family connections or Jamaican heritage. A person should be able to learn it simply because they find it beautiful and worthy of understandings. So, yeah, them, reason with me. Do we truly believe Patwa is worth learning or only worth speaking well just because we know it? Honestly, reason with me.